Man dead after allegedly being stabbed by companion's niece. A policeman found at home with a gunshot wound has died. Gunmen shot and killed 59-year-old shopkeeper in St. James. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The St. Andrew North police have reportedly taken a soon-to-be mother into custody after she fatally stabbed a man during a domestic dispute at their home in Mount Ogle, St. Andrew over the weekend. The incident happened about 8:15 p.m. on Saturday, leaving residents tongue-wagging as the community discusses the deadly incident in public court. The deceased is 31-year-old Ryan West, unemployed, of a Mount Ogle address. More details to come following further investigations. A police constable was pronounced dead at hospital Sunday afternoon after being found at his St. James home with a gunshot wound and his service weapon beside him. He has been identified as Ernesto Tracy, who was attached to the Anova Traffic Department. It is reported that shortly after 11 a.m., residents heard explosion coming from Tracy's apartment in Westgate Hills. Checks were made and he was found in a pool of blood inside his home with a gunshot wound to his head. His gun was laying beside him. The police were summoned. They rushed their colleague to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where he died while being treated. The Montego Bay police are probing the death of 59-year-old Veral Filinar, shopkeeper of Cedar Hill, Somerton, St. James, on Sunday, July 9. Reports are that about 7 a.m., residents heard explosions and summoned the police. During a check by a police team, Filinar was seen clad in a white t-shirt and blue jeans pants, laying face down in a pool of blood with bullet wounds to the head and upper body. He was transported to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Investigations continues.